Hi guys, Duderant here again. I know this has been a while since I've made videos, and I know quite a lot has changed in my lab, because I've been doing a few other things. Why I haven't been making LOS videos is, well, holiday, a game called Zelda, Skyward Sword. Very addictive. It's like the only good Wii game. The only good use for the Wii Motion Plus, really. So, anyways, you're probably here for LOS. I'll show that first then. So, I'll be showing a lot in this video, by the way, because I have a lot to catch up on. So yeah, right now we have some good news and some bad news. Okay, I also don't have my camera stand here, I couldn't find it. So if you're wondering why the video is so stuttery, I apologize. There's the good news and bad news. First, the good news. I'm gonna force to. We got file systems working. Kinda. I'll get to that later. In folder / clicking this or selecting this top one will bring you back one directory, or so I'm hoping, and then these are the folders. We have folder new, folder old. This is just a test. Gonna open old, push this little button, in folder old, then the folders inside that, the files inside there, and their sizes, because I thought that would be useful. Yes, folder sizes might eventually be implemented, and I will, once I'm done with a few other things, make this from bytes to kilobytes to megabytes if a number is over a certain value and stuff. Now to the bad news. I've had some seriously big problems with, see, I'm selecting stuff now, pushing the button, in folder, old, stuff, squiggly object of death. And that squiggly object of death you see there, I cannot figure out why that is happening. I've modified the code. I'm now completely rewriting it. Something is going wrong, and I've been putting debug all over the place, so I'm just gonna rewrite the whole code for trying to make this work. So yeah, okay. I will eventually get it working, do not worry. So currently you can only open one folder. Let's open new, then noob.txt, and there's a newer folder. You're supposed to be able to open newer, but again, the same problem. I found out that the character is what looks like a bullet point on Notepad. Does anyone know what the ACCI character would mean? Because I get it precisely when I open that folder, not before, not after, so I can't get rid of it. I've done quite a bit of debugging. So okay, that's LOS progress there. Now I have a lot of parts around here, and this is something called Vera board. Now I've been working on real electronics, or normal electronics. Example, this blinking lamp here. Yes, it's an ordinary blinking lamp being powered by a 9-volt bulb, using the 555 timer. So I'll just explain quickly how this would work. Well, it does work. This LED here is being controlled by all the circuitry here, making it blink, and that there's a switch. So basically, the timing all happens due to this and this. Basically, this capacitor here gets charged with these two resistors. Capacitors, by the way, store electricity, and resistors slow it down. So it slowly charges this capacitor until it reaches a certain value. This little chip over here will then stop it charging, then instead discharge it through only one of these resistors. Now I don't remember which one it is, but it discharges the capacitor. And then once it reaches a certain value, it will charge it again till it reaches a certain value, and so forth. Meanwhile, it supplies power through this wire, going to that resistor, which powers this little LED here, which makes it blink. So that's basically all. My horrible soldering done at the bottom. So cut tracks. That's the LED. So yeah, it's not much. I've been playing around with this breadboard and electronic circuits. This will be an ALU, 4-bit ALU, add, subtract and stuff. Oh, and this is the temperature controlled soldering iron. Those things are quite expensive usually when it comes to the sponge. And then the multimeter, blah blah blah. Okay, so that's I'm doing normal electronics now as well, because people are saying you use the Arduino, isn't that kind of cheating for making a computer? Well, first of all, the project is called LOS and not L computer. I'm focusing on the operating system. And secondly, well, I guess by the way, there's the debugging stuff that comes from this code. So now debugging here. Note this here. This is before, top one is before we open the folder, and the one is after. Note that there's one small little space in the end. And when I paste that in Notepad, we get what looks like a bullet point. I think I just discussed that. Okay, so anyways, another thing, I'm actually getting quite popular. The tweet. I'll read that later. Someone called, I don't know, the company TDX Games wants me to design a console for them. I was like, wow. So that's pretty awesome. Now, they don't have anything confirmed yet. Now, they don't know, like, what the price is going to be. Don't even know if they're going to do it. They're just throwing ideas. But I got a little excited and decided to make a prototype printed circuit board just for fun. It's nothing really. So, well, anyways, there'll be a link of them in the description because they asked me to link them. Now, of course, we haven't decided anything yet, so I don't know if I'm gonna agree to them or not. Anyways, last thing, I think it's the last thing. Not. LawrenceWeyn.tk is my new website. It's quite a slow website because this is all hosted on free stuff. Note that it is also under construction. It does, however, have an awesome menu. Game 1, run game 2. The About Me page is working and stuff. So, yeah. But most of the stuff isn't working yet. So here are my programming projects. Not all of them are listed, of course. If I try to go to Red Game 1, here's something I like. I made a custom 404 error page. I just had fun with that. A lot of text here. And there's supposed to be a video here. Waiting for YouTube. Well, yeah. So, okay, I think that's about it. Look at all the components I got. Yeah, I'll be making a few electronic projects. Tell me if you're interested in electronic projects like that. And stuff. So, I think I'm missing something. I forgot something. But... oh well. Okay, so, thanks for watching. And comment and stuff, and I will be getting LOS working correctly. So, bye, thanks for watching, comment, rate, subscribe, blah, all that stuff, bye.